what's up guys? John Spear here. I got some oil stains on my asphalt there, and I've been looking for different products to try to use. So today we're going to try to use the Goof Off oil stain remover. So the directions say put, if it's a pretty deep stain, put 1/8 of an inch widespread, let it dry, rock and roll. So let's see what we got. So I'm just going to be dabbing it on these little dots, kind of see what it does here. We got them kind of all over the place. It's only $10 at Home Depot, so I thought that was a pretty good deal. And then we'll give it a try. Because these are ugly. I hate them. My good old Dodge just can't help itself. It's got a nice even spread on it. I'm gonna probably let it sit all night. See what we could do with it. Got some other guys over here. And we're also gonna see how it does on Sharpie Mark too. My little guy had some fun doing that. So we'll give that a shot. See how this looks tomorrow. Alright guys, so this is the Sharpie marks I was talking about. Like I said, my little guy had some fun with it. So we'll see how this Goof Off works with this as well. Some other stuff right here. So that's a Goof Off. I'm gonna spread it a little bit better, but like I said, we'll check it again and see how it comes out tomorrow. Alright guys, so it's been a day. Let's check this out. So this is kind of what it looks like. Here's one that I kind of spread. That was an oil stain. And these were Sharpie marks. So we'll do some brushes on it. I'll show you that. And then we'll do cleanup and go from there. So this is what just brushing it looks like. So there was clearly a black stain there, and that's pretty gone. So and this is how it kind of looks when it's done. So it did an okay job, I would say, for the most part, and I bet you when it dries it won't look as bad. And then over here, this was a pretty deep stain, and it does say that you have to do it a couple of times. It's a deep stain. As far as the Sharpie's concerned, though, I would say it didn't do anything at all to the Sharpie marks. So, kind of a crapshoot, you know. On the bigger stuff, it looked like it did all right, you know. You know, and like I said, when it dries, it'll probably be a little bit better, but you know, when it's wet, you can still see the evidence marks. But overall, 6 out of 10, in my opinion. So here's everything after it dries. So it clearly didn't do anything for the Sharpie marks. I think that's pretty obvious that the Sharpie marks are still there. Maybe some vinegar and baking soda will fix that issue. As far as the concrete goes, I mean, it did okay. You know, the really potent stains kind of went away, but you know, it mostly just dulled it out. You know, so that was okay. And then the black stain that I had right there, I think did a little bit better, but obviously you can still see it. So, you know, it did okay, but I wouldn't say this is the super best product, but it does say, you know, try it a couple of times, so we'll try it again. But you know, for first rounder things being done, I was a little disappointed. So thank you guys for watching. Once again, my name is John Spearn with Warhammer Electric, and I hope you guys have a great day. You know, I would say it's a little stain, it's worth it. If you got a big stain, go get something more powerful. Have a good one, guys.